So that's why the toilet's always clogged. You should clean this before Mom sees.
What?
Too late. Probably should watch your step.
Hey!
This looks like a job for a real plumber.
Mamma mia!
Mario! Wow, he even brought his own plunger.
Aww. Ew.
No clog stands a chance against him.
Ew. Hey!
In the end, Mario always gets his princess. And here's your reward. A new job title. Nanny. It pays up front, and we'll let you get settled.
Oops.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I'd keep that plunger handy. Oh, it was all just a bad dream. Wait. Never mind. At least she's keeping busy.
Yay!
Red really is your color. Soon you'll be ready for your mouth puppet debut. Nothing beats a lollipop.
Chew!
So careful where you aim that slime. Hey, don't eat that.
Hey!
Yeah.
You need a gadget that can take a punch.
Huh?
Like this toilet lollipop holder. Just lift the lid when you want a lick. And the occasional falls, no problem. Hey, let sleeping plumbers lie. Oh no! His mustache! His trademark!
Whoa!
Grab your trusty mustache mold. And a whole bunch of candy. Collect it up and add some
Yes.
heat. Let it melt into place.
Yes!
And it's your brand new mustache!
Wow!
You can eat it or keep your upper lip warm. Time for lunch. A spider? Guess it's protein. It's Little Miss Muffet all over again. Make that Mr. Muffet too. Come on, Mario. Don't be scared. Be prepared with a handy spider catcher.
Whoa!
Now let's put you somewhere nice and safe. You know, it's almost kind of cute. Candy's dandy, but so's clean teeth.
Ew!
Give the toothpaste a good squeeze. I thought we talked about the aiming. What you need's a toothpaste dispenser. Give him a push and he does the squeezing for you. Now, let's get brushing. Uh-oh. When Mario stomps, he really stomps. Let's make her a new toy.
Ew.
Slice up a paper cup. And add it on top of another cup.
Yay!
Now, run a string right through it. And add some finishing touches. Why don't you try it out?
Wow!
Pull the string to open its mouth. And I think he's taking over the castle. Drawing temp tattoos is fun. But to see what you're drawing,
Ew.
Draw it out with a dry erase marker. Add to water and they pop off. Now give your hand a dip. But why should you stop there?
Oh my god! Wow!
Why not douse your whole head? Always be careful around toadstools.
Wow!
Just ask Mario. He's an expert on mushrooms.
Oh, no.
Besides, we can have more fun with slime. Let's squeeze it up into some nanotape. Until it's nice and round. Add a stem and some big white spots. Now give it a nice big squeeze. Uh-oh. Don't touch that outlet. It's Mario to the rescue. You can stop poking.
What? Oh, no.
What we need's a 3D pen. We can draw up outlet covers. And in all sorts of shapes, too. Like stars and mushrooms. Otherwise, you'd be seeing a whole lot of stars. Contrary Mary, how does your garden grow? Well, I guess soil's not a priority. Good thing Mario's got a few tricks.
Uh-oh.
Like this special piece of gypsum.
Ew!
Well, if we want to see
Yay!
what's inside, we might as well get cracking. Looks like we're almost there. It's like a little baby mushroom. You can plant it, but it doesn't need water. Aw, who could throw out such a handsome plushie?
Mamma mia.
But it's nothing a bath can't cure. Especially with a fizzy bath bomb. Some scrubbing should help too. Almost done. Just gotta squeeze you dry.
Yes. What?
Ew, slime. Wait, inspiration strike. Add slime in every color and glitter too. Now, give him a good shake. Oh, I hope he's not dizzy. Why don't we set him down? I think she's up to something.
Ew!
Oh, everybody's a critic. Mario's whipped you up a great snack.
Ew!
Toast is delicious, but I think maybe a breakfast cutter can help. Just press it down to make shapes. Now it's a breakfast for the stars. They go great with boiled eggs.
Wow!
But it's no mystery that this will taste great.
Mario can make any time a fun time. Wow! Aiming skills won't hurt either. It's always good to have a little green in your diet. Wow! See? Eat your veggies, and you too can be Mario. Sometimes Luigi. Hey, what's in the box? Ooh, it's a stretchy lizard. And it sure lives up to its name. Hey, that doesn't grow back, and it's leaking. Good thing we've got a plumber. Well, at least he's getting his 8 glasses a day. Careful, don't want to pop him. Ooh, it feels squishy. Was I wrong? It's mochi squishies. They seem tough. Why don't we test out that theory? Oh, so that's where rainbow pasta comes from. A unicorn. You wouldn't like him when he's angry. This is why I avoid things with horns. Maybe a snack will cheer him up. Careful, those teeth look sharp. And you're about to learn that the hard way. Let's hope our next guest is a little less bitey.
Hey!
Let's give our guest something to eat. And something to wash it down with. Well, this should shake things up. Okay, maybe we overdid things a bit.
Ew.
A little TP to the rescue. What's next? Ooh, a pop tube. Let's add a gummy worm. And some soda. Good thing Mario knows his way around a pipe. Soon we'll have a gummy anaconda. I can't tell if this is the head or tail. But either way, I know it's delicious. Okay, Magic Box, what have you got for us?
Wow!
Wow, tape! And not just any tape! It's nano tape! Good, the stash is safe. Wrap it around a straw and add glitter. Now blow it up into a great big bubble. With little adjustments, it's a spooky little mushroom.
Whoa!
Ooh, an egg. Anyone in there?
Yay!
It's a chicken. Extra squishy.
Huh?
Ooh, you've got a little blister. Ugh, you could have closed your mouth. Then again, you caught an egg. Good job, Mario. Someone sure wants to say hello. It's a dancing fish. Ooh, maybe a worm will help entice it. Ready? Hook, line, and sinker. Hey, it's a big one. Could it be? Yes! We've got the dancing fish. Nothing beats a big scoop of ice cream. Unfortunately, that's not ice cream.
Whoa!
It's slime, which is pretty cool too. Why don't we add some glitter? And we've got foam balls by the truckload. Swirl it together for a little hands-on experience. This looks like a job for 2 hands. Aw, what a cute little roly-poly. It's a fidget slug, and it's making me kind of dizzy.
What?
Ooh, it's racing time. Ready, set, go! Red's in the lead, but purple's speeding up. And purple's the winner. And here's your gold medal. Now here's a doll who needed to leave the box.
Ew.
How about we give you a haircut? Now grab some ramen. Some delicious, mouth-watering ramen. Works great for some curly locks. Now let's fix up that wardrobe. This material will make a great dress. And you can't go wrong with a golden crown.
Wow.
Look, another chicken. This one plays with clay. It can make it into feathers. Or even eggs. You can roll them up to make whatever you want. A Goomba? Well, Mario needs the stomping practice.
Yay!
A toilet. Well, a plumber's job is never done. Oh, it's chocolate. Well, it's not going to clean itself off.
Wow!
And I think there are some hidden treasures. We should probably wipe this off. Oh, it's a game. See how many you can fling inside. Maybe we should try some larger ammo. Just don't do this with any real toilets.
Oops.
Ouch! I think you caught something. It's a bank. And it looks hungry. Let's feed it. For your first course, have a penny. Wait, where does it come out? Maybe we can try asking. Look! It coughs out the money for you. Ooh, balloons. Are we having a party?
Wow!
Well, we better make more. Take this balloon blower. Add a balloon and get pumping. Careful, they run out of gas sooner than you'd think. Of course, there's nothing a few more pumps won't fix. Oh, look, it's a poppet dinosaur. Oh, hold on, you've got something in your teeth. Chocolate toothpaste to the rescue. Oh, look, you caught a marshmallow. Or is that a tooth?
Oops.
Let's go with marshmallows. Grab a few and fill up that dino. See, it factored in eventually.
Yes!
Now let's cover it up with melted chocolate. Give it time to harden and you can peel it off. And look, with those marshmallow buttons, it's still great for popping. Okay, where's the mustache glue? We're gonna need a few more takes. Again, again, again.